Here is the final part. Ogrodzieniec is not cursed by monsters. It is cursed by a perfect formula of fear. Ruins on pale limestone, empty windows that stare like eyes, echoes that add extra footsteps. The black dog is a legend stuck to the stone. People told it for years until the castle started to answer back. You can come in daylight and feel nothing. But at night, the castle works like a mirror. The scariest moment is when you realize you started listening to the silence. And it listened back. Legends live at night, only when you give them a chance.